Hey everybody, it's Dave. I'm back with a review on Lucas's two-way pistol lever grease gun. And this is really a nice looking piece of equipment. We've got people wanting to say hi. But most people don't tune into grease gun videos to see bebes. Anyways, hey guys. This is going to be my use for it all the time, will be the flexible nozzle. But it also comes with an extension. So first thoughts on this are just, it is nice. Like, it is a genuinely nice piece. Oh, let me show you what's in it first. So you've got instructions in 3 languages telling you what everything is. And then to loosen it before, you got to loosen that coupler before the first use. And let's just throw a wrench on there and just a plier and just loosen that to make sure it's not seized up. I like the cap. The cap strap looks pretty good. That's going to be a must for me because this is going to live in my truck. Oh, and then troubleshooting. I'm not a big grease gun guy, so I don't know these things. Coupler will not seal or disengage from the zerk, so loosen the coupler that you loosened earlier. So that's a good thing. What's on this? How to load the grease with a cartridge, right? So what's included? Instruction manual, and then this thing to say to tape the threads, and then you've got enough Teflon tape for a bathroom and a kitchen remodel, along with your unit. So, and then your extension. I think that extension is going to get lost. I think I'm going to put this whole thing in a bag, in a zippered bag, but you know, I'll throw that in there if I remember to. I like that it has the anti-kink spring, right? So pop your cap off, put it on your fitting, and then you've got your grease loaded. Of course, I don't right now. This is just my first exploration of this unit. So it's got the pistol grip, and I'm really not strong enough to do the pistol grip. I'm not going to be doing anything with the pistol grip. That's just not, I don't have the big burly hands. So, but it's nice. And then here, just squeeze that and slide down. And then for the rest of us mere mortals, you've got a regular 2-handed operation pump. So that's cool. I like that because it just, you know, it's compact. So slide that back. It's hard to do one-handed. Hold on. Slide this guy back, and then you just put the bail over, and you've got your handle down. I don't know how this is going to hold up in my bag. That's my one hesitation. I'd love a swivel connection on here, so you know, just a 90, so it turned down. But I have a medium duty truck that we're just going to. This will just live in it. So if ever I need to lube the lift gate or lube the chassis or the steering column, it's just right there. And this is such a nice piece. It's kind of a shame just to leave it in one truck. But, I mean, the truck parks next to where the tractor goes, so I can just reach in and grab it. I just want to know it's where it's going to be. It's handsome. It's a good-looking tool. It's got a nice head. It's got an air release valve, which I think is super cool, just so you don't have, you can get it primed without loosening the head. And then I've never used this, but you can fill it with bulk grease. So if you're in a big shop, you'd be, you know, I'd love to hear what you have to say about that. That's not me. I don't know anything about it. But basically, you're just sticking the bulk dispenser's cap, you know, right on there, chunk, and then fill in your gun. And then I imagine you just this. You'd pull back, fill it up, and then release the cast handle again. Sorry, guys. They have a playroom, but they like to play right where we're at. So let me go over real quick. This is a 1,000 PSI max pressure. That is way beyond anything I'm going to do. The hose has a 4,500 PSI max working pressure. So I don't even think I have enough muscles to do that. Yeah, that's the extension nozzle. Put that and then put the coupler on it. I like the swivel. The end cap, removable positive lock stopper, nice cast handle. That's really super nice. Oh yeah, heavy duty die cast handle. 12-inch heavy duty hose with a coupler and protective cap. Anti-kicking spring. You can see that's how they illustrate it. And then the air valve. Here we go. 3-way loading, 14-ounce cartridge. That's the only thing I know. That's, between that and just using my fingers to work into some bearings, that's the only thing I know how to do with grease. And then bulk or dispenser. I imagine I've walked past that 1,000 times, but I've never, that's beyond me. I'm not that cool in the grease world. So it uses all standard 14-ounce grease tubes. So this is nice. Lucas has a really nice product out. It feels good. It has a nice weight to it. And it's just pretty. I know that sounds silly, but in the words of one famous YouTuber, it just gives me the fizz. I mean, when a grease gun can make you happy about life, it means your life is pretty easy and it's a nice grease gun. So just look at the finish. That's easy. Operates nicely. I don't know what that hole is for. Somebody out there does. I'd love to hear it. I'm the guy that's going to end up wanting to put a bar through that, to push against something so I can just use it one-handed. But anyway, so applications, am I missing something? It works on vehicles. And it works in your factory. Okay. So good for machinery, good for things that take grease. I don't think I'm missing anything. I will show you. Let me know if you want to see me greasing up something with it. I think it just works like any other grease gun. It's got a really nice action, and with the two-handed action versus pistol grip, I'll try pistol grip and see if I can be Popeye a little bit. But I just don't have the huge leverage. So yeah, who ever knew that you would be happy about a grease gun? That never occurred to me that I'd be excited about this. So I could see very easily leaving leaving this one in the truck, or getting the mini one for the truck that just lives in it, and then in the barn we could put this one. Me and my OCD though, I'm always wiping things down. This will end up living in a tote, just a small tote to keep it all from getting dust and poop all over it, or sorry, I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. But just in a tote to keep it clean. I don't want junk all over my stuff. I like to touch things and not feel gross. I mean, whenever you're greasing something, you're going to get messy. You're probably going to wear gloves anyways. But anyways, why let it be crappy? Because when you get all this junk in here and then you reload the cartridge and grit falls in and then all of a sudden you're getting grit pumping through your system, that's just no good. So Lucas, nice job on your 2-way pistol grip. What's the official name? Multifunction, industrial quality, industrial duty 2-way pistol grip, lever grip grease gun. So multifunction grease gun from Lucas. Beautiful. I'm assuming it's functional. I'll know in a couple days when our grease gets here. So, hey, thanks for watching. I know this is kind of a silly one. A grease gun. I haven't done a video for so long, and now I'm doing one on a grease gun, and I don't even have grease in it. Anyways, I like the tool.